Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram replay problem. To know how to fix Instagram replay problem, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, in this page you will click clear cache. Sorry for that mistake. You will click clear cache and then you will click clear data. Sorry for that. Here for stop and storage, when you will click clear cache, then you will click clear data and you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.